we're sat here in the 100 degrees weather outside the Chislehurst Society Old Chapel today, and we're having a little bit of a royal themed picnic. And I think there were some royal connections with Chislehurst.
Absolutely. I'm sad I didn't get an invite to Harry's wedding, though.
Me neither.
But we have enough royal connections to make up for
Good.
it. I mean, honestly, April, here we are up Queen's Passage.
Yes.
And next to the Queen's Head.
Yeah.
So that's royal for a start. And they can't forget Royal Parade.
Indeed.
But lucky old me that gets to look at old archive photographs.
Yes.
And somebody showed me this wonderful picture of Princess Diana
Oh,
here
wow.
in Chislehurst when Earl Spencer, her father, invited Queen Elizabeth, the Queen Mother, to come and open the new Queen Mary house. It isn't there anymore.
Lovely.
Coronations.
Yes.
Here's a lovely picture of local Chislehurst residents enjoying the coronation 1953
Wow.
on Burlington Parade.
Talking of coronation, we actually have a really traditional coronation chicken here,
Yummy.
which I believe was made to celebrate the coronation of the Queen many, many years ago, and
Okay.
it's really tasty.
Well, I'll show you one more photo.
Yes.
And that is Royal Parade, very appropriately, and the 1911 coronation
Beautiful.
celebration that went on there. So we haven't got any royal residents yet, but you know, life's a picnic, isn't it? We just enjoy
Indeed.
ourselves.
And I think we should treat ourselves to a piece
yes,
of
please,
Battenberg.
April.
Yeah, indeed. There we go.